During the second topic of the sprint planning, and within the 2 hours time box, the development team will decide how to turn the stories into a potentially shippable product increment. That means that the stories are completed according to the definition of done and integrated to a product that is fully tested and ready to be used. The development team needs to identify how they will build each of these stories. They will discuss about the technical challenge for each of them to identify the different tasks or work to do. After a discussion about the customize the product color, they identify the following tasks: combine colors, change the user interface, validate the colors, and adapt the forms. For each task, they could also write some details like technical agreements, technical decisions, quality, and how to test each task and the story. For searching products by category, they create the following tasks: create search API, display search results, and search user interface. For the major improvement taken from the retrospective, they don't need any task. Actually, this could be created as a story or as a task with no parent user story. This team is using a task board with swim lanes based on stories. For each story, there is a swim lane with all the involved tasks. The development team doesn't need to identify all the possible tasks during the sprint planning. They will identify the ones that they need to start working, to confirm their estimations and say if it's possible to do all this in one sprint, and to be able to explain to the Scrum Master and product owner how they pretend to build the increment and meet the sprint goal. At the end of the sprint planning, the sprint backlog belongs to the development team. So during the sprint, when they face the real work, they can add new tasks, change the existing task, or remove tasks to reflect the real work that they need to do and complete.